right.
Okay, I'm going to sit on this side. Allison, you're going to scoot over. And Allison, you are going to drive.
Oh.
Okay? Here's the steering wheel. Okay, hold on a second. Wait! Hold on. This one's the brake. This one stops us, okay? So push real hard on that one so we don't roll. Okay, we're in the big open field. Show the big open field.
All right.
We're in the big open field, so there's nothing we can run into, but I thought it would be so exciting to let you drive.
Yeah, this is gonna be great. Thank you.
Okay, so we are, move your foot to the right a little bit. There's another pedal.
Is that the gas?
That's the gas. It says go, so hang on tight and let's go.
Let's go.
We are
That's
going.
the theme of the camp.
That's the theme of the camp.
was
Go
smart
ahead,
of
push
you.
it down. Push it down. Let's go. Okay, steer a little bit to the left. There you go. All right. Now straighten up. There you go.
Driving requires so much attention.
It does. Okay, now turn all the way to the right. All the way to the right.
Okay.
A circle. All the way to the right. More.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sharp turn.
Okay, now straighten up. Let's go fast.
Okay.
There you go. You remember where the brake is? Is this fun? Is your dad gonna freak out?
Let's see how bad we can scare him.
Okay, let's go. Okay, go.
Woo.
Turn all the way to the left. Left. All the way some more. All the way some more. All the way some more. Okay, now straighten it out.
Fun.
A little bit more to the left. A little bit more to the left. A little bit more to the left. Okay, now straighten it out and go. Whoa! We're kind of going a little bit uphill, so it's not going very fast.
I like it when it goes downhill. That's fun. This is fun for me. I can imagine how it feels for her.
Okay, now turn. Take off the gas a little bit and turn all the way to the right. We're going to make a circle. Go all the way to the right. Keep going. All the way to the right. All the way to the right.
Is it my turn next?
Kaylin wants to drive. Are you serious, Kaylin?
mine.
What?
I can drive.
Okay, come
Wait, how are you sitting on it, Kaylin?
She's
I'm
sitting on the
facing
front
y'all.
Bumper. Okay, straighten up, straighten up.
Which is super safe.
Did you know which way straighten up? Oh yeah, that's right. She can't see where she's going. We're going so fast. Ah!
Okay.
No, it's good.
No.
Someone left a ball out in the middle of the field.
Oh no. Would that hurt the golf cart if it ran over?
That would probably.
It'd be more hurtful to the ball. The golf cart was
Going a little bit to the left. Okay.
All right.
Okay, you're good. A little bit more to the
Okay,
left.
let's not run into the tree.
Okay, slow down, slow down. You want to go weave in and out of some obstacles?
Okay.
Okay, go to the right.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta sit down. Don't get up.
I was trying to position my body a different way and then I kind of...
Okay, go ahead and stop it for now.